Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another blank dating app, Picks My Makeup. I did Tinder and Plenty of Fish, which will be linked up here in the iCards for you guys to check out. And today I'm doing Grindr. Basically, Grindr is like a gay dating app, but they have extended their reach to trans people as well. Basically, you can like choose your pronouns and everything on there, so I figured I would check it out. Basically, I thought that I would let Grindr pick my makeup and see what the guys on Grindr want. I tried to change up some of the questions again because I didn't want to do these same things over and over again. And I'm just gonna say, like, I got so many messages, like, this is just like, there's so many, and like, I responded to like none of them because I'm just trying to get answers for this video. But I have a ton of messages here and a ton of like really scandalous photos. But anyway, without further ado, let's just go right into the video. So the first thing I asked is what color I should do my hair. And this guy picked pink and then asked me if I wanted to hook up. But anyway, he said pink, so that's why I have my pink wig on. So then I already did my foundation and concealer. I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Nude Ivory. And then I went in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 8. So that's what I have on right now. Basically, I asked a guy if he finds tan lines hot or not. If he said yes, they're hot, I would do a tan look. If he said no, then I would do a fair look. He said that they can be hot, but they don't really do anything for him. So that's why I went in with a fair concealer and foundation. I'm also not doing any contour or anything. We're just one color right now. So for blush, I decided to just grab this. This is the BH Cosmetics Classic Blush 10 color blush palette. And I asked a guy to pick between 1 and 10, and he picked number 7. So, which kind of defeats the purpose because that is this kind of warm brown shade. So I'm not doing any tanner today, so I'm just going to go in with that shade as my blush, and we'll just see what happens. Okay, so that is my brown blush. So for highlighter, I decided to just pick the Aurora Glow Kit because I have so many highlighters and I don't really use this one, and it has some like crazy colors in it. So I asked a guy to pick between numbers 1 and 6 because there's 6 shades in here, and he picked 3. So I'm going to be going in with this dark purple highlighter called Spectra, and now I'm going to put that on the Cupid's bow and my nose as well. So I don't think it really translates that purple on camera, but trust me, it's very, very purple. Now I'll go on to my brows. So, because I was on a dating app geared towards gay men, I decided to ask guys if they are a bear, otter, or twink. If you don't know what these means, basically a bear is like a guy who's usually kind of chubby or stocky and hairy. Otter is usually a guy who's kind of like fit or slim and hairy, like semi-hairy. And then a twink is a guy who's usually slim and like hairless. So that was going to determine my brows. If it was a bear, I would do like thick brows. Otter, I would just fill in my normal brows. Twink, I would do bleached brows again. And I asked people without photos, obviously, so I couldn't judge by their photo how they might answer. And this guy said that he was a bear. So I'm going to be filling in my brows thicker than I normally would. So I'm just going to use the Santee eyebrow designer, which I got from like my Shop Miss A haul. I think like my first one. And I'm going to fill in my brows more heavy and thicker than I normally would. So that is the brows done. They are very thick. Let's do lips now, and then we will go into the eyes. So to be cheeky as always, I decided to ask guys what color underwear they're wearing, and the answer would determine my lip color, and if they weren't wearing any, I would put on a nude lip. This guy said that he was wearing black underwear, so I'm going in with this AOA Studio Wonder Metal Liquid Lipstick in the shade Rouge, which is like this metallic gunmetal kind of gray-black. So now for the eyes, I want to do something different than I've done in my other videos. And because this is a kind of gay dating app, I decided to, I asked what his favorite color of the rainbow is, and I would do a look using that color and try to make it look half decent. And he said that his favorite colors are blue and orange. So Lord help me, we're going to do a blue and orange eye today. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I depotted all of my ColourPop palettes. So I'm just going to start in the crease using this orange shade here, which is from the Yes Please palette. This is the shade Big Cocktails. And I'm just going to build up the crease and make it kind of orange. So now I'm going in with the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just going to take this like bright neon orange and put that into the crease as well, just to make it look even more orange, because I want to make sure everything looks the colors that he wants it to look. I'm going to take this like electric blue shimmer in here and press that onto the lid. So now on the bottom of the eye, I think I'm going to do like a halo on the bottom. Don't hate me. We'll see if this works. But I'm just going to start with that neon orange shade again, and just put it on the outer third of the eye and then the inner third of the eye as well. And smoke it out. And then I'm going to press the electric blue into the center of the eye. Alright, so now I'm just going to quickly apply some mascara, and then we're almost done. So last but not least, I had to decide if I was using a setting spray or not. So I asked a guy if he uses protection again, and this guy also said yes. So I'm just going to go in with a setting spray. Alright guys, so this is the final Grindr Picked My Makeup look. There is so much happening. The purple highlighter is front and center. And then, I mean, the black lip with the orange and blue eye. I don't really hate the eye, actually. I mean, I could have obviously done a better job, but I'm not mad at it. Basically, this is what the guys on Grindr wanted to see. I don't really have much to say. Let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know if there's any other dating apps that you want to see or anything similar to this. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this Grindr Picks My Makeup video. Give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.